In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize emails in MailChimp. To get started, open your MailChimp account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you'll manage your campaigns and create new email content. If you're new to the platform, take a moment to look around so you feel more comfortable with where everything is located. Once you're inside your account, click on Create. This is the starting point for building a new email campaign. MailChimp gives you a few different content options, so from here, choose Email. This tells the platform that you want to create an email rather than another type of marketing content. Next, click Regular. A regular email is the standard option for sending a personalized campaign to your audience. It's a good choice when you want full control over the message, layout, and overall design. This option is commonly used for newsletters, promotions, announcements, and general email communication. After that, feel free to choose a template. Templates are helpful because they give your email a professional structure without requiring you to build everything from scratch. You can select a layout that matches the style of your brand or the purpose of your message. For example, some templates are better for visual promotions, while others work well for simple updates or text-focused communication. Choosing the right template can make the editing process much faster and easier. Once you've selected your template, you can begin customizing it. This is the stage where personalization really comes in. You can edit the text, adjust the design, and shape the email so it feels more relevant and engaging for your audience. Make sure the content is clear, easy to read, and consistent with your brand's tone. If your template includes images, headers, or buttons, you can customize those as well so the final email feels polished and intentional. As you work, keep readability in mind. Try not to overcrowd the design and make sure your main message stands out. A clean layout usually performs better because it helps readers focus on what matters most. It's also a good idea to preview your email before sending it, just to make sure everything looks the way you want. And that's it. By opening your MailChimp account, clicking Create, choosing Email, selecting Regular, picking a template, and customizing it, you can quickly build a personalized email that looks professional and feels tailored to your audience.